I'm Mike Diuto. I'm with NetApp. I've been with NetApp for just a little over 9 years, and my focus is healthcare applications, EHR, Epic specifically. Kevin?
Hi, my name is Kevin Vong. I've been in AWS for about 6 years. I'm a global healthcare solution architect focused on Epic as well. So I do a lot of the reference architecture that you see along with Epic. So glad to be here today. There
Thank
you
you,
go.
Kevin. Appreciate it. Let me move to the next slide here. So, NetApp has been around for a long time, right? Since the early 90s. We have a very focused healthcare practice. And as you can see here, this is just a few of our customers. Obviously, we couldn't list all 2,500 plus, but we provide solutions for not just EHR, but also imaging. And we just have a huge history of providing great solutions for customers. So this is a little bit more about NetApp and AWS and our partnership. And really, if you look here to your left, we started this journey all the way back in 2012. I mean, how many people were really even thinking cloud back in 2012?
That's right, Mike.
So all the way back in 2012, we started this journey, this partnership of building solutions. And you can see here throughout the years, this doesn't cover every bullet point or everything that we've done, but it really covers a lot of the big major solutions. One of the things I want to highlight here is in 2018, Cloud Volume Service, Cloud Insights, and Kubernetes Service. And then here, cloud tiering, the ability to tier cold data and lower your consumption and your costs, right? And this is just a testament to our partnership and what we've been doing over the years. So this is, surprisingly to some, maybe not to others, what most environments in healthcare providers look like, right? This is actually a slide that a customer shared with us at one point and told us they had over 1,000 applications in their environment, and they were trying to find a solution and a method to easily manage everything. I'm sure you can understand and appreciate when you have this many needs, you're going to have so many different solutions, and there's always a search for something that can somewhat do it all or come close to being able to do it all. So ONTAP is really at the heart of this. NetApp ONTAP, our operating system, and the capability we have really to be able to host anyone and all of these applications with ease, advanced data management tools, the ability to reduce the footprint with data efficiencies. And this also brings us right to the right. The ability to not just do this on premises, but also in the public cloud, in AWS, with a solution that we call FSxN for short. But this is what we're going to talk about a little bit more here, and we're going to give you a couple of customer examples in a few moments as well. But from our customers and our healthcare providers, these are some of the top challenges. I'm sure everybody looks at this slide and says, well, hey, Mike, these are very common challenges. There's a lot more to it than that. And you'd be absolutely right. There is a lot more to it. However, we only have like 15 minutes to talk about it, so we're trying to keep it simple, short, to the point. But as you can see here, limited scale, right? This isn't just a cloud issue. This is an on-premises issue occasionally, right? With regard to these data types getting almost out of control, right? Huge imaging footprints, huge footprints for these environments, and they just grow and they keep growing, right? I think it is the average healthcare provider today is growing their storage footprint somewhere around 46 to 48% per year right now. The low cost involved, right? When you want to move to the public cloud, complicated migration process. Great news is if you're already a NetApp customer and you already leverage ONTAP, you already have the tools built in to make the move to the public cloud really simple, really seamless. We have the ability to use a feature called SnapMirror, which is a mirroring capability. You can send a copy right over to Amazon, to AWS, right? And if you look here to the right, a lot of the benefits that you will instantly experience, scale capability to over 500,000 IOPS, That measurement was done with a tool from Epic called GenIO. So anybody that is familiar with Epic or that tool will understand what that means. That is a big number, right? And to see that capability in the public cloud, it really is a big deal. So I really want to make sure we point that out. Some of the other things, though, being able to right size the environment and only having to pay for the solution you need, right? We have a history in IT, not just in healthcare, but everywhere, of really buying a lot more than what you need on day one. And you don't have to do that in the public cloud, right? You can scale as you need when you need, right? So, just some other things to keep in mind here. This goes a little bit more in depth, right? It's having that uptime, that the data availability, but not just that, having a common set of management tools. We bring this piece of it to AWS because the same tools, the same features, the same capabilities that our customers enjoy on premises are all the same features and capability that you'll enjoy in the public cloud. You manage it the exact same way. So it really is seamless.
And you want to add on to the fact that your dedupe technology, also compression technology as well, helps
Great way to
lower
reduce footprint.
yeah,
Yes.
reduce the footprint. And as a mere fact that sometimes you want to share data, clone data, you can use that dedupe feature to lower the cost and minimizing the growth that's inherent in any healthcare environment.
Thanks, Kevin. I appreciate you adding that in there. Um, and we have a couple of customer references that Kevin is going to introduce us to and discuss. If you could, Kevin.
So I want to talk about two customer use cases. In the first customer here, they wanted to deploy Epic Blob Image Store against two separate AWS regions and maintain also an RPO of 15 minutes as part of their requirements. With FSXN, they were able to meet the RPO of 15 minutes, but also lower it to just 5 minutes to replicate their Blob Image Store across regions. From a ransomware perspective, FSXN has a snap lock feature to also protect your data. How they do that is that they change your state of your files from write once, read many format, and you're able to protect it from accidental deletions to or even alterations, right? So
It
FSX,
does really make them indelible.
yes,
Really, is what we're getting at here. There's all these different terms out there, right? Acronyms and all kinds of stuff, but indelible is the term, the proper term for that capability. And the ransomware protection feature is built into the operating system. I just want to point that out. It's not a bolt-on. It is not an additional application.
that's right.
Well, it's part of it.
Yeah, it's part of the OS that you deploy on AWS.
Want to go to the next customer?
Yep. And for this particular customer, eHealth New South Wales, they had a business requirement to scale out and also seamlessly migrate their data, which is 1.3 petabytes worth of medical imaging data, to AWS. By leveraging FSXN, SnapMirror, they were able to migrate that seamlessly using the tool sets they're familiar with on premise today. Meanwhile, that 1.3 petabytes, they were able to scale that out to 2 petabytes today when they after post migration, because based on user data needs and user growth.
Really appreciate everybody sitting down and joining us today. Thank you for wherever anybody came from to join us here at HIMSS. Thank you.
Thank you.